belly to belly, face to face. Those eyes, you take me to the start. Sweetheart, sweetheart.
Hi guys, sorry if you can hear my printer in the background, but I'm currently working right now. I have a lot of things going on and I figured that I should pick up the camera and show you guys what I'm working on because I really haven't filmed or updated you in quite some time. So this week I'm preparing for the launch of my new collection in my shop, and today I'm supposed to film a video to show you guys everything and shoot some photos for my website. But I am having problems printing everything. This is one of the most frustrating parts of this process. So I printed this test sheet last week of one of my sticker sets and it turned out great. I love the colors. But then today the problem I'm running into is whenever I print it out, the colors are not the same and I have no idea why. I don't know if you can tell, but the colors are much cooler here than they are in this one, and I prefer the warmer toned ones. And I've printed more than a dozen of these to try to get the right color, and it's just not turning out. And I have tried so many different color profiles and printer profiles, and nothing is working, and it's so frustrating. I finally think that I got it. It's still not perfect. It doesn't exactly match my test print, but it's close enough, and I've been working on this for the past hour and I'm just ready to be done. So I have printed the stickers and now I need to cut them. So it's already 2:30 and I haven't even finished cutting the stickers, let alone even start filming the video. So I don't think this video is going to get filmed today, but I still have time. It's only Tuesday and everything is being launched on Friday, so I can film the video tomorrow and still get it done in time. But it's just frustrating because I wanted to not be rushed and to get everything done in time, and it doesn't look like that's going to happen. Once again, as always, I am going to be working up until the last possible minute to get these things launched in my shop. Okay, so now that I kind of have that sorted out, I want to show you what I've been up to the last couple weeks, because even though I haven't really uploaded at all really the last month, I have been filming, and I meant to edit together a studio vlog, but I just never found the time to do that. So let me just show you a few of the things that I've been doing. So that's what I've been up to the last couple weeks, and now I'm going to try my hardest to get back on a schedule and start uploading these studio vlogs once a week like I had previously promised. I just finished filming. I decided to go ahead and film the talking parts of my video just so that I could go ahead and get that done. That way I don't have to worry about that tomorrow. But now I need to clean up the kitchen because I haven't done that at all today. I just need to put away my dishes. And then I think I'm going to work on the video, at least start editing some of the talking parts. I just finished creating the packaging for my new vinyl stickers, and I really like how they turned out. So I ordered 3 of the designs from my new collection to be printed on vinyl. This is the final packaging. These stickers are great because they're durable and weatherproof, so you can like put them on your notebook or water bottle or something and they will last, as opposed to my regular stickers that these are just paper. But I packaged them in a little glassine bag and then made these tags to put on the top. So now I'm getting ready for the video shoot. My office is a complete mess right now. I can't wait until I can clean all this up. But I have just gathered together all of my props and things to put in the video, and I'm gonna start shooting all the products. I have lots of flowers, of course. I have some pressed flowers here that I made. Lots of little jars and just other decorations and things to put in the photo or the video that might look cute. I'm also using Jaren's camera just because he has nicer lenses than I do. So I'm gonna do the video and the photos with this, I think. I might mix in some with my camera. Hey guys, so it's about 8:30 in the morning and I just got out of bed and I have a very busy day ahead of me. I need to finish editing my video. I need to edit all the photos, get all of the promo material ready, get all the product photos done, get the website finished. I have a million things on my to-do list. So I'm going to make some coffee and then sit down and get to work. I've been sitting here going through the code of my website, trying to make some very small changes that should be easy, but I guess I don't know enough code to figure this out. Up here, I just want to add some space between this image and my header up here, but for some reason, I just cannot figure out how to do that. So I might need to wait until Jaren gets home because he knows a lot more about this than I do.